Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is I'm going to talk about the situation going in India now. A very boring man because the lockdown is still extending. Even though the break the lockdown, also some pandemic situation going around the cities and state. Especially in Chennai, there are more cases were filing against Corona. This is something boring and frustrating, uncomfortable situation here. Last 4 months, I didn't go to office. I'm working from home. That that also going good, but not that much effectively. We are working. That's fine, but working in office is something different. That also not only a problem here because when the work hours come, there is no problem sitting on the system doing the job as it is normal like office. But after the office timing hours, I mean the working hours in work from home, they're very boring because we can't able to go outside. If we go outside means there are very strict security checkup from the police and Chennai police, and no, we can't blame no one. We can't blame government, we can't blame people. It's something very, what to say, this is something very uncomfortable here in Chennai. I don't know the rest of the world how it's going. I heard some of the countries may release their lockdown. I mean the lockdown was breakdown. That's good, but in India, when they going to do like that? But and also there is not at all there is no possibilities to break the lockdown as easily because the cases are getting very higher only. It's not getting down. Even though we are taking too much of safety measures under the things we are planning, under the things we are performing, or things we are supporting, and everything was good here. But I don't know why this is something very headache, very mess up with us. Can't able to go outside, can't able to walk on the road. We're getting fear for this virus, very worst virus. I already heard about the Spanish flu that was came 100 years back. Yeah, this time, this century, the worst virus. I wish and pray to the God this must get right from us as soon as possible. I hope scientists are all working for getting medicine to fight this virus, but don't know when they're going to launch. There are, because finding a medicine is not an easy job. There are multiple set of procedures out there when applying a drug to the human body, because there is no side effect after applying those drugs. So they have to be very careful when manufacturing the drugs or discovering the drugs. I mean inventing the drugs. So hope everything will be all right. This is a general video. Don't know what to speak. I searched for content. Nothing I have now. I will post a good content tomorrow. This is for general to be in touch my channel. So that is what I am posting this video. I want you guys to tell me in the comment section to improve my words in English or the sentence formation, because I'm speaking in English what I learned from my friend. I know that this is not good English, I know. Even though you guys suggest me and comment me the sentence on the words I'm using here. I hope this is the 4th or 5th video in this channel. We have enough time to learn this language. Good. We have good to go. We have enough time. This is just a practice. Maybe this video make me to move next level for making a good sentence. Yeah, it will take time. And good response. And one thing I want to highlight here in this video, very good response from my friends' sides when starting this for starting this English channel. Some good responses and some support, positive supports and vibes from my family members and friends. I really love you all, because without you people I can't do anything, because you are the booster for me to move further in any situation. Especially my brothers, my mother and dad, they are all very encourageable for making this kind of videos, and they really support me. That's a very important thing. That's a very important thing. Yeah, easily we won't get any support, but getting support is very nice actually. On the way, on the flow itself, I'm speaking. I'm not going to edit any file. I'm not going to edit any clip in this video. Just like that, I'm going to post something. This is like I'm speaking to myself or speaking to the digital media. Future, maybe I'm going to see this, or some may people get idea about in this video, because everybody some similar to some cases. Some people get some life opinions, decisions from someone's life. Likewise, the universe was created, so but everyone life is unique. That is a real thing, but we may get some things from someone's life as a role model, like that. Very boring here, man. I saw all the movies from Amazon, all the movies from Netflix. Even though I'm getting boring, I don't know, new content, because no movies were released the last 3 months. This is something crazy. I'm expecting to watch Black Widow movie. Don't know when they're going to release from Marvel side. Yeah, let's see. This video I'm making in different format. I mean the vertical format. So I don't know how it's going to be uploaded in YouTube. I have to make some edit option before uploading it in YouTube. Today we achieved 9 subscribers in our channel. We have to get more subscribers in this channel to communicate to the world people. That is very important. That is what I created this channel. I want to make the community to the to spread the good things, to get the good things, and I promise I want to show the life of India and the cultural activities of the India, and how the people living here, how these people opinion are different from the world people. So I promised in the first video, introduction video itself, but the situation is not good here. Once the lockdown ends, definitely I will roam out. I will show you the places in Chennai. If possible, I will go to another state. Another city and state in India to describe my country. India is a very good country. You guys know. Soon I will get good videos and good content to show you all. I will make your time valuable in this channel. I promise for that. I hope. Okay, bye guys. Good night. Love you all.